Okay, now
Sorry, question.
since we have actually done our organizational units using enterprise structure, I'll just revise it so that you can understand. Um, we had a company that we defined a company. Okay, now that company is CLAF. Okay, CLAF is the company, CLAF Co. Uh, company code is should be similar something. CLAF. Okay, CLAF KL KL01 is CLAF code Dubai. Okay, and other than that, we must have also produced a plant, also defined a plant. KL KL01, and we must have also made a location for it. Okay, and sales org, that should be the same code. Sales org KL01. Okay, fair enough. Distribution. What can be the distribution? Did we make a distribution? Okay, let's see. KL wholesale retail. K. What is K, Chris? K8, okay. Page up. K8. So sure what's okay. And in materials management, we must have made a storage location for a plant, KL01. That is KL01 Sharjah. Purchasing organization will be KL01, and that is there. Okay. And then after definition, we assigned it. Assigned it to company code. That's easy. Logistics plant to company code. That is also assigned. So integrations, let's see what are the integrations. Setup sales area. And the sales area will be KL01, CLAF machinery for distribution channel, division, CLAF machines and accessories. Okay, this is there. Okay. Sales area to office, office to sales area. KL, CLAF machinery and 0506. Okay, fine. This is done. So again, we've already done this, and channel and divisions can correlate as per your product lines. Machinery and for the plant, okay, 5, 6 as accessories and okay. Now, next, of course, is going for logistics, and for logistics, what we'll study is master, configuring the material master, structure of data screens. Now, what are data screens? For that, we need to first understand what is basically the structure and what are the different screens that we have. Logistics. Carefully. I'm 800-425. Industry sector is engineering material type is finished goods. Now, material type, it can be alphanumeric and external. We are externally branding a material. We're labeling a material that is also possible, and internal numbering can also be given. That is industrial with material types. So industry sector, yes, we can make our industry sector. So we can, this is what we are going to study in data screens. Okay, like material type, industry sector, we can set this up. Okay, mechanical engineering, material type. So broadly there are three types of material types: finished good, semi-finished good, and raw material. So we're using PERT. Now select views. PERT is basically basic data, sales org, purchasing, MRP 1, 2, considering accounting, cost, sales, W4, 2, or so these are the screens basically. Base unit of measure, material group 0, 1, division 0, 0, enter, gross rate 1, 1, oops. We don't need this basically. Input tax should be here. 0, 0, F1. Technical information. Text 68 D. Screen. Export group. Loading. What else? You can also put in profit centers. Next. You are processing time 1 day. Procurement type is internal, external, both MRP type, PD, lot sizing procedure, controller. What MRP controller is a person, in-house production, one. Availability check 0, 1, individual or connection, collected. Next screen. Base unit of measure. Screen. Valuation class. Valuation class 0 to support finance and MM integration. Whenever you actually move by a material in this material type, we can put this valuation class for finance. Okay, we can finance materials. 100. Okay, it does not contain inventory classification. We have an error in saving the material. Okay. MG144 okay, we don't have any technical information on that. Exit this. We go to the structure of the data sequence. Industry sequence, detail, manufactured parts, class, interchangeable parts. Now, if we select standard detail data screen, what the data screen, these are the data screens. Okay, these are the data screens that we have just seen. But this is for retail. For standard industry sequence data screens that we have actually seen, MRP1, MRP2. Okay, these are the sequence that we have actually seen. Tax data, if you go in tax data subscreens, we have screen sequence. Oh, I don't know. Okay. View data screen is the description, and view subscreen screen is sales. And sales data screen, what are the subscreens? We have, okay, let's see, view subscreen, product attributes, okay. Data screen, that is sales, okay. Page down, tax data. Okay, we get the tax data over here. So data screen, oh sorry. You want to see what are the tables we're dealing with right now? You can go to subscreens. For example, subscreen. Data screen is main screen. This is for the group. You just press F1 and it gives the information about tables. Okay. What are the tables? See from here, technical information. Sorry, this information. Okay. This is the table, this is the field. We can change this, we can play around with this. Okay. Subscreen. Okay, quantity. Subscreen. So this is basically tax data. Okay. Tax data. What do we require? This is the screen number 218. Okay. 218. In this screen, of course, this we can actually see how we can anyways, let's stop over here. I just wanted to actually give an overview of what it is and what's going to be.